This works on iPhone, Android, iOS, like I said, laptop, your Windows, whatever system. If you have a problem with your YouTube and it says whenever you try to play a video, it says there was a problem while applying playback ID error, this video is for you. I'm going to be showing you multiple methods on how you can fix this problem. Now let's start with the first like the basic things to do. Now if you are using Android, you just need to go to settings. Okay, that's the first step you need to do. Go to settings and then click on settings. Now you want to find I'm going to go back, sorry. Okay, so after you go to settings, you want to find here storage. Now after that you want to find apps. Okay, so just click on apps. Now you want to find YouTube. Okay, just find YouTube here, keep searching for it. You will be able to find it where we downloaded all your apps. If you are using now Android, now if you are using iOS, I will show you how you can do this. Very simple. Okay, so after you find YouTube, click on it. After that you want to click on clear cache. Okay, click on clear cache and then click on clear storage and then click on OK. Okay, now if you are not giving it permission to use your device settings, you want to give it permissions here. Now I'm not using the phone right now, I'm using the laptop, but I'm using Android emulator, so it's the same steps. You just need to find here something that gives access to YouTube to use so that you can watch videos normally. So just anything you see here below, make sure you give access to YouTube. Okay, if you are not giving access to YouTube, this problem might happen. Now another way is to check if there is a problem with your Wi-Fi. Just turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again. Okay, by the way, if you are using iPhone, you just need to go to settings and then click on like you want to click on general and then click on iPhone storage, and then you will be able to find all the apps here you have downloaded, and then search for YouTube and then click on it, click on offload app. Okay, and then click reinstall app. Okay, just click on upload app, reinstall app, and then you will be able to fix the problem if that's related to your iPhone. Okay, by the way, if this problem only happens on your laptop, make sure you didn't download any ad blocker or any extension recently. This may cause the problem. Okay, make sure you remove all the extensions and try to use YouTube again and see if the problem is fixed or not. So if this doesn't work, what you need to do is to remove the whole app, the whole YouTube app from your phone, iPhone or iOS. Just remove it and then go back to Play Store or App Store and then search for YouTube and then download it. Okay, now after you do this, you will be able to fix the problem. I'm just going to prove it to you guys, and as you can see, it just works without any problem. Okay, so I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, by the way, let me know in the comments. Let me know exactly what's happening. Is it iPhone or iOS? Is it iPhone or Android or Windows, whatever operating system you are using? Let me know in the comments what system you are using, what phone you are using, and I will show you the solution. I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated, and see you in the next tutorial.